I have been saying this from day one. The state BJP leaders are saying Bengaluru should not become Bangladesh. Agreed, it should not become Bangladesh. But how are Bangladesh is coming till Bangalore? We don't share international borders. Whose responsibility is it to safeguard the border, secure the borders of the country? Is it Dr. Parmeshwar's? Is it the Home Minister of Karnataka responsible for that? You are supposed to be the most powerful Home Minister after Sardar Patel Saab, and you can't even protect our borders. How come our borders are so porous? How come the Bangladeshis are coming all the way through all BJP ruled states and into Karnataka? How are Afghanistan is coming? Pakistan is coming all the way till Bangalore. So what happened to your James Bond, Mr. Ajit Doval? What happened to, what is your MEA doing? What is your Home Minister doing? What is your BJP state Home Ministers doing? So all these things, I think BJP should ask their high command first, instead of just trying to come and shoot in the dark here in the council.
So